Hey, so good morning, you guys. Just jumping in. I'm about to make one of my Sweet 16 tennis skirt outfits really quick. I've already printed my vinyl using my Cricut. So like I have all my vinyl together. So we can go ahead and get everything started so you guys can see my finished product. So I just wanted to touch base with you regarding that. Alright, so let's get into it. So the first thing that I normally press when doing these are the t-shirts. This item, this is a size, I think, an extra large outfit. So yeah, this is gonna be basically. So what I do first, I'm going to press the shirt just to get out any moisture, majority of the wrinkles, I per se, as well. So I'm gonna probably press it a couple places, just so I can kind of get majority of the wrinkles out anyway before the item is even shipped. I want majority of the wrinkles out before sending it to my client. So I'll just try to press top, bottom, all the way across of the shirt just for a couple seconds, just to try to remove majority of the wrinkles that I see. All right, so I have my shirt on the press, and then I have my first piece of vinyl that I'm gonna layer is the is my 16. All right, so I pressed that on my vinyl for 30 seconds. So when the timer goes off, I try to let it cool a little, and then I do a cool peel of it, of the top plastic cover of that vinyl. All right, so I removed the plastic off of my vinyl. I'm going to press it again for about another 10 seconds or so, just to give it that extra pressure, making sure it's laid. And then I'm going to go ahead and lay on my my next step, my next piece of vinyl, which is my word sweet. So I layer that and put it on just like this on top of my number one. I'm just trying to make it so it lays like that. So then I'm gonna go ahead and press this again for 30 more seconds. Okay, so far I've pulled the top layer of plastic off my sweet vinyl. I've done my second 10-second press on it. So now I'm going to go ahead and slide my shirt up some so I could get my name added. Normally I don't do offsets behind the name, but this particular client wants me to do something a little extra. So I am going to add the offset behind the name on this outfit specifically. So let me get to it. All right, so I've already pressed my offset behind it. So with this, see, that's the offset HTV image back there. So I'm gonna press the name now onto the design. So we'll press it with the name going on top for another 30 seconds. All right, so this is the finished shirt look. Basically the Sweet 16, Danielle. So this is basically how the shirt will look finished. Let's get to the skirt. Okay, so now we're going to press the skirt. Normally I just put it under the press, probably no more than like 10-15 seconds, with the material that it is. All right, so this is the basic layering of the skirt. We start this side. Normally,
so here's my finished product. Tell me what you guys think.
Of the different color, but since the client wants a little extra, I did a offset behind the name on the skirt as well. And so that'll be in silver. So once I get this pressed, then we'll add the name.